today I'm here with Hamish again. So you guys may have seen we recently did the boyfriend buys my makeup video, and we also did a Q&A. Yep. So today Hamish is going to show you some clothes that he bought for me.
I have no idea about shopping. This was the most stressful thing I've ever done. As soon as I went into the store, I was just like panicking. It's going to be so bad. And then I was trying to match stuff and...
like create outfits?
Nah.
So when you picked stuff, were you like choosing things you thought I would like, or like things that you wanted to see on me, or?
Originally I wanted to pick stuff that I think would look good, and then I realised I don't know what I think looks good.
This is where Hamish went for most of the items.
I don't want to splash out and go too large. You'll probably never wear any of this ever again.
Well, who knows? We're gonna see. We're gonna like try this on obviously in outfits like afterwards, but we're just gonna do like a mini haul first. Okay, so the first thing Hamish picked me was this little jumper. I think it looks cute.
Yeah, I think this doesn't look bad.
Yeah, so we got a size large. I did help him with sizing, so I asked Hamish do you want loose fit or like more fitted? So he said kind of like a looser fit. We got a large and it was $39.99. We got a belt, so everything...
I've look at it again. Oh yeah, I did pick that.
Yeah.
Rose gold belt.
Yeah, rose gold belt. Hamish picked out stuff for an outfit, so he'll obviously put the outfits together afterwards. I'm just showing you everything at once. I don't remember. Oh, white jeans.
White jeans,
which
yeah.
I would never purchase for myself. In a size 12 skinny crop denim. It'd be cute. I usually do like...
It won't look bad on you, I don't think. I've seen you in jeans before and they look fine.
Well, jeans, yeah. Just not white jeans, so we'll see. Okay, next up we got this in a size 12. It's a little like zip up leather kind of skirt. I think this is cute looking. I'd buy something like this for myself. $39.99. Did I say how much this was? $39. Is everything $39.99? It's $39.99 as well.
Yeah, it's $39.99.
Size medium, $29.99 knit skirt with like a slit in it.
That's not going to look bad. That'll look good, I reckon.
Hopefully.
I didn't want to go out there and get crazy stuff. Oh, this is a bit more out there-ish.
So this is a little lace number. Hopefully this looks cute on. I do like stuff like this too. I feel like Hamish like knows my style and just gravitated towards it. That was $39.99 in a size 12.
$39.99?
$39.99.
Everything's $39.99.
Conspiracy.
Pulls out socks, $39.99.
This is a linen top, $29.99, size 10.
That pricing's
Take
wrong.
it back. A little leopard print one. How many outfits did we do? It was like 4?
I think I kind of used the same items for 2 outfits, you know, just like move stuff around a bit.
Cool.
So it's probably 4.
This one's size 12, $29.99. And then last thing, I think this is a dress, isn't it?
Yeah, that was just a dress. I thought that really, just looked nice.
Yeah, I like the colour. I think it's a real pretty colour. Got a size 12, $49.99. The grand winner of the most expensive piece. Next, Hamish took me into H&M.
Yep.
Got one thing, which I was very iffy about, to be honest. But we'll see how they look on.
What's so iffy about these?
I don't know. I don't know. They're very simple. Like, they could be real good. I like the toe shape, so.
I wasn't going to go with any of that outrageous stuff they had, so I had to kind of go this.
$59.99. Hopefully they're good. These shoes I'm very excited about. Do you remember how much they cost? Their receipt machine wasn't working.
Oh, that's right.
It was like 140 or?
You have to look it up. They'll know the brand anyway.
Yeah.
Very easy to look it up. These were something that I knew Shannon liked but didn't have, and I thought, why not work them into an outfit? Win-win.
Do you actually like them though? This is the thing.
They don't look bad, but I mean, I don't know. I haven't seen them on much.
Yeah.
You haven't worn them yet.
No, well, obviously. So
yeah. Here's
how they came packaged. Do they have a name? Disruptor 2. We got a size 8 USA. And they are the classic like Spice Girls Fila sneakers. So I'm real excited to see like where you're gonna put these in an outfit. And then the final place we went was into La Visa. Hamish knows I love this store. Just for some accessories and things.
So what are these? Leopard print ones?
I feel like you picked the best stuff.
The stuff? Quite full on. I think they're quite out there.
I love them.
Do we need to sell the pricing? $13.99, $17.99,
$13.99,
$17.99.
These danglies.
What were they? Oh, those were
$15.99.
That's right.
Oh, these were your favourite, weren't they?
What? No, they're just good. Hopefully. $13.99.
Okay, so now we're gonna try on all the stuff in a few outfits. Well,
Yes.
And Hamish is going to tell me what he thinks of the outfits, like when they're on me, because obviously he hasn't seen them on yet, and then I'll kind of rate them as well, and I'll say if it's something I would wear again or not. Like, let's just see what happens. I'm very intrigued to see how Hamish puts together these outfits. Okay, so first Hamish got me to try on this dress. Tell me your thoughts.
I like it. It looks good. It sits quite well. It's not too puffy. You know, you don't look like a sack. It's nice. Good. See, this isn't really fair. When you guys try an outfit, you do it and then I bet you can like piece it together. But I've had to try and pick an outfit based on not trying stuff on.
Yeah, well, it's a little bit too big for my waist.
Is it? It's alright, it'll work. I would never buy something without trying it on. Shannon does it and it drives me absolutely insane. Belt or no belt?
Well, I think I'd need like a tighter belt. This one's probably more of like a waist belt, but...
I think I like it without.
Without?
Wither's not. It's not bad.
These are the earrings Hamish chose with the outfit, which I think are real cute. I actually really like them. It's not really something I would naturally like gravitate towards. Usually I do like real chunky ones. These are very delicate, but I do like them a lot. I think they're simple and nice.
They're good. Well, I feel like the whole outfit's kind of chill, and then those are quite full, not full on, but they're bigger.
Cute.
They quite stick out quite a bit.
Yeah.
Which is nice.
These are the shoes that Hamish chose with this outfit. The little boots, they're actually like real comfy. They feel pretty decent quality as well. Like I really like, oh my god, how do I show you without showing my bum? They're like a real nice shape, like a nice heel size, and like the toes are real cute. Like I will definitely continue to wear these boots, and I think I would definitely wear this dress as well. Like I think it's just real flattering and simple and cute, and you could even wear it with like heels as well. So
what's the comfort rating? And you need to do like a comfort rating.
The whole outfit.
Yeah.
It's so comfy. It's probably like an 8 or 9. Like it's so comfy.
And what about the look of it? What do you rate it out of 10?
I think I'd like it even more with just like maybe like a tighter belt that would actually like cinch me in, like not that belt. I'd probably say like a 7 out of 10.
7? I'd say 8. That's rough.
Alright, this top's like borderline, actually not borderline at all. It's so freaking tight on my boobs.
Tight.
I got the wrong size, so I'm like, okay, so what do you think?
Yeah, I think it looks good.
Again.
It looks not as good as the last one. The last one looked more dressy. This is a bit more like sporty-ish. I don't know why I feel sporty-ish when there's no sport in it. But yeah, it still looks good. It doesn't look bad, right?
No, I really like the skirt. I feel like I would wear this again. I like the top, but it's too small, so I should give this to someone else.
And these are the earrings I picked for her.
The little big thick hoops, which are cute. Obviously I'd probably like personally do silver. I actually didn't pick any silver, so
I stayed away from silver. I think they look good.
Yeah, it's just a bit mixed match, but like, cause this is silver, but at the end of the day doesn't really matter that much. And then the same little boots again.
Yeah, I didn't pick too many different pairs of shoes. I just got the black ones and then there was some white ones. So
yeah.
I think I got flats as well.
Did you? I don't think so. That's everything.
Oh, maybe not.
And then the other thing Hamish wanted me to put on top of this outfit to try is just this sweater. Oh, it's got like flared sleeves.
I did not see that when I bought it. Oh, looks good. Looks good. I nailed that now. Oh, yeah, it looks good.
Be cute with jeans.
Yeah.
I still like it though. I love this jersey. I just think with this skirt I should have got a size down. Comfort.
You have to do comfort and what you
mean, considering this top is cutting off my circulation, it's not that good. That was my fault because I'm the one that picked the size. So it's cute, it's just wrong size. I love the jersey, it's very comfy. I think with like black skinny jeans it would be super cute with like a necklace or something.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, I like that. I'll definitely be keeping this and this.
And then so out of 10, what's the outfit?
With the white top, I would rate that like a 7 again.
This one's looking good.
Okay.
Nice.
So this is the black lace bodysuit.
Nailed it.
I love this though, it's so comfy. It's one of the comfiest like lace ones I have. These jeans are ridiculously comfy. I probably could have gone down a size just because they're like...
Looks good.
Yeah,
and
but
it's
they
comfy
stretch.
for you.
I prefer like when they're tight when you first put them on and then they're like stretched throughout the day, if you know what I mean.
You could have belted this, put the belt around. I got this. It's gonna look good.
I think that's why you bought this.
Alright, it's gonna look way better now. Looks nice.
That's better, eh?
Yeah, it looks nice.
That's so... I love
nice. Worn the same boots again.
I love the length of these jeans, how they show just like a little bit, like the boots with the pants are perfect.
Yeah. On camera it's not doing it as much justice as in person. Try the white shirt on as well, just the white jersey. Yeah. It's kind of cream, so it's not the same.
No, just white.
Is it white? It's not the same. That's white.
Yeah.
And you probably want... Do you want the belt showing? Okay, step back. White on white's a hard one to pull off, but... Yeah, nah. Oh, they look
the
nice.
Earrings, yeah.
It's the lighting's not really showing them properly.
Yeah, they're kind of like a marble almost, like gold with marble. That's real cute. I love this outfit. This is my favourite one so far. There's like back pockets still look nice on my bum.
Yeah.
This is the most comfy outfit ever.
9 out of 10 or 10?
This is so stretchy, this one. This is super, like 10 out of 10 comfort.
Yeah.
And for like the look of it, I would give this an 8.5 out of 10.
Nice. I think it looks really good. I agree. 8 point... I reckon 9
I
out of
want these
10.
jeans in blue. Like, I think these jeans in a dark blue with this top, the same belt, like everything, but dark blue jeans as well would look so good.
I think
but I do
you're
like
underselling yourself. The white looks good.
Yeah, I do like them.
More girls need to wear white. Cool, so here's another one that I chose. I think this one's not bad either. Played it safe again.
I think it's out there. Like, I wouldn't put together an outfit like this. I love this top though. These are the coin ones, which I think are adorable. I'm obsessed with them. They're real like dainty. Like, I love them.
So the shoes, this is the moment of truth. Yeah, it's all good. Just walk back. Yeah. Makes it more casual, I guess. I like the shoes, but I'm not sure. I like the black boots better from what I've seen. What do you
I think the black boots with this outfit would be better. I think these shoes need like darker jeans or like even a dress. I feel like super white shoes, like, yeah, you just need to have like something simple. And I feel like because this is like white, it's like already very intense. So I like putting the shoes with, but I love the shoes. They're so comfy. This again is a very comfortable outfit. 10 out of 10 comfortable.
Nice.
Like,
and what
so
about
comfy.
look? I would give it like a 6 or something.
I give this,
Only because the shoe's bringing it down.
well, I give it another 7.
Nice.
Yeah, I think it's super cute. I'd probably just do the black ones once again, the black boots.
Cool, so this is the other one I chose. It is leopard print top with the stretchy, split,
I'm trying to put this
lined, slated. Is it called slated? I don't know.
Ow.
Looks comfy.
can't
And
get the
your
earrings.
earrings are not going in. And just the hoop earrings again.
Yeah.
I was gonna go with one of these, like pairs, and I'm just like, you can't hit that together,
This
can you?
one matches like real good.
Oh,
I think
yeah. That could be alright.
this is what he chose. I love the skirt.
Yeah.
I'm so happy we got the medium because it's
Nice,
already
eh?
like, it's not too tight. It's like real stretchy and comfy. It's like a jersey. And it's like, I'm going to take this to Tokyo. I think
Cool.
this would be cute.
And then the shoes,
Back to
they're
the
good.
boots.
See those? Are they boots?
Yeah,
Yeah,
they're
those
boots.
boots were like the safety among all the outfits I
Yeah.
chose.
I actually, honestly, I think I'm going to keep every single thing except for the polka dot top. Just because it's too small. If that fit, I'd keep it.
Was it that cardboardy material, that hard material?
It's not stretchy, yeah.
Isn't it? Yeah, not stretchy.
Yeah.
Whatever material, cotton.
I love the way this looks. I love this combo. This might be my favourite outfit. I might wear this tonight.
Cool. Can I see it with the white jersey on? I just want to see it because they're both quite chill material. Yeah, it's good. No, that's actually really good. So see that jersey once again works. I knew it would work. That's why I got it.
Yeah, that's cute.
Multiple outfits, nailed it.
Boots. Love it. So cozy.
Without the white shirt on, what did you rate it?
Probably
White
9 out of
jersey.
10.
9 out of 10.
It's
Nice.
something I would have worn, like something I would put together myself.
Yeah, I say 9 out of 10. Why not a 10 though? Does it have to be perfect to be a 10?
Don't know. You
Just can't give out 10s?
You can't just hand out 10s.
And with the white on, do you think it's still 9 out of 10? Or you...
I'd take it down to an 8 just because I think one size down in this jersey would have been perfect. It's just a little bit too bulky.
Cool. And there were these. Did you want to try these on?
Oh, we won't try them on, but that could look cute too. With this white top. Like that. We can always do a round 2 if you guys want to see another round. But I really want to shop for you, but Hamish doesn't want me to. But how many thumbs up would it take for you to do it?
We'll see. I don't know. I don't know.
If you want me to do it, guys,
We'll
comment
do
below.
no. Let's just do a round 2 of you though, because
No,
your
they can
outfit's
vote.
quite cool.
They can tell me.
So overall, how did I do?
Good, we're all good.
Yeah.
There's a couple things like that I may not have like paired together, but in saying that, like every single piece you bought me, I would wear like maybe in a different outfit.
You got to remember, once again, I didn't get to see you trying things on in the store.
Yeah.
That's not a bad selection of outfits.
No, it was real
It's
good.
good.
I'm stoked. I got some cute new clothes.
Good, thank God. I thought you were going to throw it all out afterwards.
By the way, I did ask Hamish if he wanted to shop at more than one place, but he was like, no. He's like, I'm going to Glassons and that's it. So that's why basically everything's
It's getting too stressful. I had to get to a point where I was like, no, we're going to this store and that's it. I could have spent all day doing it. It's just too much. But it turned out good. So hopefully you guys like the video, and we're going to be doing more together soon, aren't we?
Yeah, totally. Let us know what videos you want us to do. We're going to go out for dinner because it's Valentine's Day while we're filming this. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe, and we will talk to you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.